In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a comment section to your Google Sites website. This is going to be free and easy, and I'm going to show you what to do in a step-by-step video. So first you want to go to Google Sites and then go to the website you want to add your comment section to. So I'm going to use this Thailand blog as an example. So let's add a comment section to this Thailand blog. Now to do this, we can't actually add it inside of Google Sites because they don't have a comment section blog. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and use an external website. And we're going to use this website here called Disqus. So go to disqus.com and you'll then be taken to this page. Now to add a comment section, it's 100% free and very easy. We just need to use this external website. So go ahead and click here where it says get started, and that will take you to this window where you can then sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in to Disqus, or create an account rather. So I'm going to go ahead and create an account on Disqus, and then I'll meet you inside. Okay, so then it's going to ask you, what would you like to do with Disqus? And you're going to choose this one here. I want to install Disqus on my site. So go ahead and click on this. Make sure you click on this one on the right. Once you've done that, you can then change your avatar if you want to, and you can log in with a different account. You can then enter in your website name. So because I'm using Thailand blog, I'll just type in here Thailand blog. And we can also customize this URL if we want to, but we're not going to need to do that because we'll be embedding it on our Google Sites. Now choose a category. So I'm going to choose here travel if they have a travel category. If not, we'll choose entertainment, and I'll then click create site. Okay, so now they're going to try and get you to select a plan. Now if you scroll down to the bottom here, you can go ahead and use the basic plan. Go ahead and subscribe to that, and it is going to be a completely free plan. Now here we need to install it to our website, right? And if you were using any of these platforms, you could install it with a couple of clicks. Because you're using Google Sites, we do have to go for a couple of extra steps. Scroll down and it says here, I don't see my platform listed, install manually with universal code. Click on that, and then don't worry, all we need to do now is scroll down to step number 1 where you need to copy this code. So go ahead and highlight all of this code and then copy it. Once you've done that, go to your Google site and then go ahead and click on embed, click embed code, and then simply paste in the code you've just copied, then click next. Now you should be able to preview the app. Just then go ahead and click on insert, and that should then insert it into your website, and you can resize this however you want. So now you essentially have a comment section on your website. Now it says here, Thailand blog requires you to verify your email address before posting. So make sure you go ahead and verify your email. So here's the email that they sent me. I'm going to verify this email. And now we should be able to enable comments on our blog. So we've verified, we can now go back to our blog. We can now go ahead and publish this. Click publish again. And if we preview our Google Sites, we should now be able to make comments on our website. So if we scroll down here, you can see here is the comment section. We can now write what we want here. Click comment. And there you go. So that's how you can add a comment section to Google Sites. I hope that video did help you out.